Hey there, animal lovers! Welcome back to another exciting journey through the wonders of our natural world. Today I'm going to take you on a journey through time to meet 5 fascinating animals that have sadly disappeared from our world. These creatures, though no longer with us, have left an indelible mark on our history and our imagination. These extinct creatures once roamed the earth, leaving behind stories that continue to captivate us. First up, the dodo, a bird that has become almost synonymous with extinction. This peculiar bird lived on the island of Mauritius and went extinct in the 17th century. The dodo was a flightless bird, which made it particularly vulnerable to new predators. Thanks to humans and the animals we introduced, the dodo, which couldn't fly, was wiped out. The arrival of sailors and the animals they brought with them, such as rats, pigs, and monkeys, spelled doom for the dodo. Imagine a bird that stood about 3 feet tall, waddling around with no fear of predators, until we showed up. The dodo's trusting nature and lack of flight made it an easy target. Next, the majestic woolly mammoth. These incredible creatures were a sight to behold, with their long curved tusks and thick shaggy fur. Picture a massive elephant-like creature covered in thick fur, surviving the icy tundras. They were well adapted to the cold, with a layer of fat beneath their skin to keep them warm. These giants went extinct around 4,000 years ago, however their remains have been so well preserved in the permafrost that we can still learn a lot about them today. But here's a twist. Scientists are currently working on bringing them back through genetic methods. This process, known as de-extinction, involves using DNA from preserved mammoth remains. Can you imagine seeing a woolly mammoth in real life? It would be like stepping back into the Ice Age. Now let's talk about the Tasmanian tiger, also known as the thylacine. This unique predator had a distinctive appearance with its striped back and dog-like features. This carnivorous predator once roamed Australia and Tasmania. It was the largest known carnivorous marsupial of modern times. The last known specimen died in a zoo in 1936. Despite numerous reported sightings since then, none have been confirmed. With its striped back and dog-like features, the thylacine was truly unique. Its extinction is a poignant reminder of the fragility of our natural world. Our 4th extinct marvel is Steller's sea cow. This enormous marine herbivore was discovered in 1741 in the Bering Sea. This giant marine herbivore was hunted to extinction just 27 years later for its meat and skin. It was a slow-moving creature, making it an easy target for hunters. Imagine a creature so large it could weigh up to 10 tons, yet it was gentle and slow-moving. The Steller's sea cow was a peaceful giant of the sea. Lastly, we have the passenger pigeon. These birds were once so numerous that their flocks could darken the sky for hours as they passed overhead. Once numbering in the billions in the US, these birds were driven to extinction by massive human hunting in the early 20th century. Their decline was shockingly rapid. The last known pigeon, named Martha, died in 1914. She lived out her final days in the Cincinnati Zoo, marking the end of a species that was once incredibly abundant. It's hard to fathom that a species so abundant could disappear so quickly. The story of the passenger pigeon is a stark reminder of the impact humans can have on wildlife. These 5 extinct animals remind us of the delicate balance of our ecosystem and the impact humans have on it. Each of these creatures played a unique role in their environment. Let's cherish and protect the incredible biodiversity that still exists today. Thanks for watching. Remember, every small action we take can help preserve the wonders of our natural world. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification